familiar driving style. Who is back in the group? Mr. Rafi Abello leading this pack of racers. Pack like wolves. And there goes Rafi, Miles, Emer, Hermoso, Kevin, Julius, Rodel, Adreno Pedro, Jess, Antonio, Alex, sunod-sunod Gibson. Naubusan ako na, sunod-sunod. And still making a getaway is Mr. Abello, hotly in pursuit and Emma, okay Emma. Still hunting that top spot. Let's see if Rafi can make a good clean run. Very important, keep it tight, keep it clean, no mistakes. If you will win. Providing grip naman speed, huwag lang sobrang bagal. And letting a little bit lead over the second man, Miles. Third, still up there, fighting. Emeragero and Miles Bautista trying their best to keep it close to Mr. Abello. Mistake by Miles, now overtaken by Mr. Agero. Keeping those corners very tight for Miles Bautista. Closing the door is inside move by Mr. Bautista over Mr. Agero. Okay, there's an inside move. Oh, no bumping. Oh, very clean. This is to race the inside move naman. Ano ba yan? Oh, bumping ko Sabi nyo, okay, back to racing! Pagkabay ng presidente natin. Pag sinabi ko nga sinaman, kasi sinaman ka sa harap eh. Okay, it's Rafi Abello leading quite a margin over Martin Emmer. While Mr. Vergara passing by is good for 11. Okay, at the moment, the first position is Rafi, Miles, Emmer, Roland, Kelvin, Jess, Rodel, Kim, Antonio Allen, Julius Allen. Last 3 and 20 to go. In this first aiming for the short course class. Okay, now Emmer Agero having a hard time chasing down Miles Bautista. Mag-take yung Clayman, bilis. And Mr. Tipman and Inspector Mr. Hoodie downstairs. With 3 minutes to go. Lots of racing action remaining in this round. Short course, 4x4. Get your kits ready, 4x4, short course. We have 6 racers in that group. Oh, a tumble there by Kinton Cuba. Ang hirap, di ko nakapisado pag maraming racer. And Emmer Agero able to pass by Mr. Miles Bautista. Now, second place, Miles down to third. Okay, Mr. Vergara, the leader is just behind you. Show him some room once he, okay, thank you. There, Mr. Vergara. And Rafi able to pass by without any problem. With just over 2 minutes remaining. Talaga itong dalawang ito, pag-uuntugin ko kayo eh. Yan, naunahan na kayo ni Mr. Hermoso. Mr. Hermoso is now moving up to second because Emmer and Miles Bautista are not at their best in the way they are driving. And Roland, Emmer third, Miles is fourth. And Mr. Rodel, fifth. Kevin and Jess. Okay, 1 minute of racing left. And still Rafi Abello in command with a wide margin over second man, Mr. Hermoso, who is being chased down by TQ man, Miles Bautista in, and Meragero still following very close. Between these three could be the one getting second spot, and still Enero, trying his best to overcome that slight lead of Miles Bautista. With 22 seconds to go, one more lap for you guys. And cruising for the win, Mr. Rafi Abello. I think he didn't do any mistakes for this run. Very clean run for him. And he will be, naku, one lap pa yata Mr. Rafi. O time as expired, one more lap Mr. Abello. And time as expired for Attorney Alan. Done. Uy! Miles Bautista, overtaking Mr. Hermoso. Di ko napansin yun. I was just looking at the leader and Miles Bautista will be done. Kala ko, inside mode pa. Nolan done. Emmer done. Ay, si Alex Reyes. Kala ko ikaw. Pero kasi kayong green eh. Okay, Roland, Emmer, Miles, Rodel, Jess, Kinson. And there goes the winner, Mr. Abello. Done!